Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about top US companies in the Nasdaq, top US financial companies in USA 2021. Before we start the video, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon button. You never any miss our video from our channel. Then let's get start the video. Number 1, top 10 insurance companies by the metrics. There are a number of ways to rank the size of insurance companies. Companies can be measured by their market capitalization, the value of company on a stock exchange, or using a scale figure such as net premiums written in a year, how many policies were sold. Here we examine the top 10 largest insurance companies by market cap, market share, and revenues. Number 1, insurance companies are important players in the global financial economy, although they may be as flashy as investment banks or hedge funds. Number 2, insurance companies come in many sizes and specialize different policy lines from health and life to property and costly. Now we can talk about top 10 USA life insurance company, health insurance companies, and non-health insurance companies. Company name number 1, Berkshire Hathaway US. Market capitalization 44 45 455 billion. Number 2, Ping An Insurance China company 187 billion market capitalization. And now you can see more companies. Now you can see top 10 insurance company. Number 1, State Farm Group. This is a really amazing company, and you can see number 2, Berkshire Hathaway. This is number 2 on USA. Number 3, Progressive INS Group. Number 3, number 4, Allstate INS Group. Number 5, Liberty Mutual INS Coast. And number 6, Travelers Group. Number 7, USA Group. Number 8, Chubb INA Group. Nationwide Group. Number 9, Nationwide Group. Number 10, American INTL Group AIG. Number 11, Farmers INS Group. This is now we can see another site. Now 10 largest auto insurance companies May 2021. The US car insurance market is dominated by a few key players, with the 10 largest companies controlling approximately 72% of the market. Below I list all 10 auto insurers and recommended which might be best for you. While these carriers underwrite a large number of policies, they differ on price, service quality, and many other characteristics. To help you choose the best insurance company for situation, we created a list of the 10 largest auto insurance company in the US and discussed what makes each of them unique. Number 1, what are the biggest auto insurance company? Question number 2, who are the largest car insurer by state? Number 3, how do large and small insurer differ? Number 4, what is the difference between mutual and stock insurance companies? Number 5, how to choose the right insurer for you? What are the largest auto insurance companies? When looking at the rankings, the top auto insurance companies in the United States, most of the names are recognizable due to their national television advertising campaigns. The number one auto insurance company in the country in terms of market share and premiums written is State Farm, followed by Progressive and Allstate. Market share of the largest auto insurance company, State Farm 16%, number 1, number 2, Geico 13%, Progressive 12%, number 4, Allstate 9%, and USAA 6%, Liberty Mutual 5%, and Farmers 4%, and Nationwide 3%, and American Family 2%, and last one Travelers 2%. Market share percentage were pulled using the S&P Intelligence Platform Insurance Market Share tool. Yet the 10 largest insurance companies offer varied insurance rates, customer claims experience, and features for shoppers looking cheap rates. We always recommend that comparing quotes from multiple insurers to find the best price. Below, we list the top 10 biggest insurers in the US, provide more detail regarding what you should. Number 1, State Farm. Number 2, Geico. Number 3, Progressive. Number 4, Allstate. Number 5, USAA. Number 6, Liberty Mutual. Number 7, Farmers. Number 8, Nationwide. Number 9, American Family. Number 10, Travelers. This is the largest auto insurance company in the USA 2021. You can see more website top 10 companies. Now you can see Marsh and McLean Industry Insurance Company, Life Insurance Company, top 10 insurance company in USA. Hope you like our video. You can see on this is really insure top 20 largest US insurance companies. You can see. Hope you like our video and please subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon button for more interesting videos. In this video we will discuss about top 10 insurance companies, and hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.